Okay, so we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and try these, and everybody like the peanut
and the chocolate
cookies, whatever they were. The these,
I do not like that.
they were good.
Mama.
Yes. Okay, sit down, Mason. Sit down here. This one is also, I believe, peanut candy. Oh,
Good drop.
we'll get another one.
Vanilla. The candy.
Here. Pass it on.
It is a hard candy.
Vanilla candy.
Here.
Wow.
Okay, so they are
It's pretty good.
just hard candies filled with caramel, I guess. So we're gonna sit down. It's chocolate.
Is it chocolate, AJ?
Yeah.
I don't think it's chocolate.
It's really good.
What's
It's
this?
it's tamarind,
It tastes like licorice.
like licorice.
Licorice.
What's the race?
All right, so it's mine was kind of melted, like so. Oh wait, it's a hard candy right here.
This y'all is so.
Bishop. Bishop.
Oh, okay.
Bishop. I'm going to cook up.
That's nasty.
I don't want this too.
Okay, Abby. Those are like different.
I don't like these.
They are different.
Now we're moving on.
So we're gonna go to these.
They look like salami.
They're called Pulparindos, hot and salted tamarinds. The same thing we just had, but they are hot and spicy, and they're made with real fruit.
Real fruit.
Well, for that fruit.
So good.
Hang on, Mace. Hold on, okay? Sit down. Sit down, okay? So I can pass it to you.
I'm gonna have to eat the rest of this at the end of the video because it's so good.
Alright, so here's one for you.
Ooh.
Here's one for you. Pass it on. Pass it on. And here, let me open it for you, Mason.
Ooh. Boy, it smells just like that.
Okay. It was some salt. I think there was salt that came off of it.
And it's taffy.
It's a more like a toffee. So these are the Pulparindos. Maze, no. Where are you going? I can't. I'm sorry.
I can't. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, I will take a bite of it, but when I take a bite of it,
okay, we're gonna do
right
the crackers. Okay, sit down. I'm over the crackers.
Okay, I'm gonna.
So they're called crackets, and I'll just go ahead and just let you grab one or two or however many you want to try.
They look like Ritz.
Here, they might taste like Ritz. Here at Mace. Addie, here. Okay, so.
They do taste like Ritz, y'all. That's the best one. Really good. Me and my big brother, me, him, and my other big brother.
Yeah, so these are really good. This is
No.
like Ritz.
No, they taste just like crackers.
I love crackers.
Alright, so we're going to move forward. Those are good. Thumbs up to the crackers. We're going to try this. I'm not sure what it is. It's Pelonaso. And it's the tamarind again. Tamarindo. So that's just like a popular flavor, I guess. Soft candy. Alright, so
It's getting real nasty, and I'm gonna let that go.
Addie. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Let me try to open it.
Potty. Yeah.
Go potty. Mason, go potty.
He hit that door real hard.
Oh. Okay. So it's this.
You gotta push it. Push it.
Okay, it's going. The phone is about to go dead, y'all. So go potty, Mason. You'll get some. Just go potty. I'm gonna save you some.
I got you.
Stop.
I can push a lick.
No.
You get the first licks. That don't even look right.
Y'all can figure that out. That's another candy. It's a soft candy. It tastes pretty salty. So it's not what it looked like. It doesn't taste the way it looked.
Look.
See, that's messed up.
Can I see? Can I taste it?
Maybe did at least pull the top part off. Thank you. AJ is taking it for the TV. Here, Mace. Here.
No.
Okay. That's what you rushed to come back and try. Try, Eddie. So, no. But it's the same tamarind, so Mason, no. We're gonna try something else. Here.
Where am I?
Alright, the phone is gonna go dead on us, so we're gonna try to go through these. Everybody's gonna get one of these. Here, Mace. Try it. Yeah.
What's this?
What's this? Taste it. Here.
What's this?
Here, this is the goose. Hang on, Eddie. Hold on. It's a candy, liquid candy.
It's sour. It's real sour, but it's good.
Let me taste it, Eddie. Okay, here.
I'm gonna take
Eddie, here.
You suck it.
That's like seasoning salt.
Oh my god!
Okay. Eddie,
You
go.
suck it.
So.
I ain't sucking that. Oh, it's like a. You do this.
Yeah, you squeeze it and taste it. Don't make a mess with it. But you can eat it with like something salty, like chips.
Oh, let me try it with a cracker.
Maybe with the cracker.
You
Because
try
it's
it?
all salty. It's a spicy candy.
Oh, it's supposed to be spicy.
It's a hot candy.
Do this. Wait. Stop.
It's hot? Okay. You want to try this?
Oh, that's another.
This is
This is like another liquid candy.
Lemon.
Oh, that's lemon. Okay. I don't think lemon.
These are the Lucas Bomb Vaso.
It's just the same as this. It's just
That's
a different taste.
That's the Lucas Gusano. Okay.
Have another cracker.
All right. So this is the one before that. This is the Bomb Vaso. Stop.
I want the yellow thing.
I want the yellow.
No, it's one yellow, so I'm gonna get it since I'm the adult. Eddie, come sit right here. Sit right here. Sit. You're not. Sit. You're underage. Sit, Eddie. Go in the room.
I was sitting.
No, you're not.
I'm sit. Ooh.
Sit. All right.
Now come on, go let me.
No. Here, taste it. That's the lemon one. Okay.
Oh, yum.
Oh, yum.
Okay. Y'all want to play? Do it. Okay. So the lemon is a piece of candy. I'm assuming the lemon head in it since
Okay,
it's
Nana.
lemon. So
You need help getting that out? Do
I'm
you
not
need a
really gonna
fork?
try to get it out. But it's a piece of
Well,
candy
you go
in
get
there.
it?
No, no. It's a piece of candy in there.
No. I'm putting my fork back. And you gonna eat it. You gotta eat it. Eat it out your purse.
So it's like a lemon,
Let me try.
salty stuff.
Ketchup.
They're eating the
Ketchup.
this with crackers, and they say it's good.
Ketchup and
No.
ketchup.
It's okay.
So the last but not least is the Lucas Mango. And it's probably salty because everything is salty.
I didn't try this one. I didn't get to try it.
Right. So we're gonna go ahead.
I love it.
Go in there and pop that now.
No.
Slide all the way up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the mango. That is just lemon something.
Put this in that bowl, AJ. That bowl over there.
Okay, so you just knock the cap off that one, and it's some sugar.
Nana, can sugar, please?
That's probably like,
Nana, can sugar?
this is decent.
Can I try it?
That's pretty good.
Can I try it?
It's still kind of salty.
This one over here.
This one really good.
So you just open it, and then there's like a little cap on the inside. You can just kind of pull it back.
It's okay.
All right. Here, wanna taste it? It's mango.
No, it was mango.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, you don't want to try it.
I like it.
I like it.
Okay.
I'm gonna just grab a little bit more.
Ow!
There's some right there.
So these are pretty good.
Nana, can I try my cream?
It's
a little bit of spicy.
So for the most part, everything was
Nana, can I try
salty in my opinion, and spicy,
the video.
and kind of tastes the same. But I think because it's all made from the same thing, the tamarind. But it was pretty good for the most part and fun to try. My favorite was the noodles. What was your favorite out of everything?
My favorite was definitely the noodles
Nana,
and these and the peanuts and the crackers. Okay, my favorite thing.
The peanuts.
Okay.
Peanuts.
Okay, go ahead.
My favorite thing was these.
Okay.
This little, it's these little bottle cap things, and these peanuts, and the little salt. I love this. I love this little thing, the lemon thing. I love that. I love the noodles, and I definitely love these crackers and that little pudding. That's what I like.
So, anyhow, thank you guys for tuning in. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and we will leave the details in the description area. Thank you so much for tuning in, like I said. And this is Curly Chronicles. We are tuning out. Thank you.